Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Frontech SW0036 multimedia speaker. There's a picture of what the multimedia speaker is supposed to look like just from the top over here. You can see these are USB powered multimedia speakers, so there will be two jacks with these speakers. One will be a USB-A jack, the other will be a 3.5mm jack. There's some features over here. This particular speakers have volume control and foam edge speakers. Do we have any more information? Over here we can see that the frequency response is 90 Hz to 20 kHz and output power is 3 watts into 2. Also the speaker driver size is 52mm into 2, so each of these speakers have 52mm audio drivers. Now let's open this box and take a look at the speakers themselves. And this is it. This is what the Frontech SW0036 multimedia speaker looks like. These are your foam edge speakers. As you can see, they're pretty soft. They look like woofers. The Frontech logo is right over here. It has a matte black finish. They're very light and compact as well. It does not have any anti-skid stops, but has a flat base over here, so which means it will not be moving on a flat surface very easily. Over here we have the cable. This is almost a meter long cable. And these are the two jacks at the end. One is a USB-A jack and the other is a 3.5mm jack. I'm going to plug this in my laptop and test the music out. Am I missing anything? Yes. There is also a volume rocker at the back of this particular speaker. Yeah, one of these speakers has a volume rocker at the back. That's a nice addition. I'm going to quickly attach this to a laptop and test the sound. Give you a demonstration of what it's like to play this particular speaker. I'm just going to play.
In front of a runaway train.
Yes, so you heard it. It sounds quite great. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Frontech SW0036 multimedia speaker. Thank you for watching.